Hello, welcome everybody to November 23rd stream for Gift. It's Thanksgiving week in America, Black Friday. Might have a few good days of volatility, but near the end of the week, I think it'll be kind of slow. But other than that, let's get started. I'm gonna do analysis in a bit here. I'm just checking some stuff right now. TradingView got a Black Friday sale, so I'm gonna renew my thing for now. Pretty cheap actually, $9 a month US for the whole year, approximately for Pro. If anyone's listening right now, I definitely recommend it to them because I'm sorry, hold on. Because it was worth it this whole year. You could do some simulations, you can chart a lot easier and better. There's just a lot more features with Pro than there is anything else. Good old Black Friday. That's sweet. So now I'm renewed up to February 27, 2022. Set to now set. Give me a moment. Now I'm renewed up to February 27, 2022.
Study abroad? Check. Explore new cultures?
Damn, gold is falling right now. That's pretty interesting. Sorry, I think the stream glitched there, but we're back now, so that's all that matters. I was trying to connect to some things. Gold is dropping pretty interestingly enough. I feel like it could tank for the rest of the day, and it seems like it's doing that. Wait, what happened? There we go. That was weird. Text being glitchy this morning. I think we gotta see how the 30-minute closes. If it closes pretty bearish, might enter some shorts here. Damn, wow. See how this one turns out too. Yeah, this is gonna be bearish, isn't it? Think of a stop with that P. A pretty big stop. Reality, I should have ended up here. Not this candlestick, but maybe this red candlestick. Then my trade would have been something like that. But I was facing some technical issues. That would have been the trade, to be honest. But it is what it is. Plus now, if it breaks the lows of the day, I feel like it's gonna tank. And if it breaks below these lows, that's the analysis we had yesterday. It's creating that lower high we talked about. Well, the audio wasn't working for yesterday's video, but in a brief summary, we had that higher wick created right here. And now we've been pushing down all the way. Any break below, we're gonna get clean sells all the way down. So we'll be waiting for that to hop in. These shorts are gonna play out. Hey, 8 more minutes till the close. I'll see if it has a wick up at 6:30. I feel like I missed it. The short would have been right at 6 o'clock open. That would have been a nice one. In reality, that would have just been, yeah, the tests up here, this area. I like how it did that, and then it tested that, and then dropped. That was the actual move right there. That would have been 40 pips, I'm pretty sure, on this one candlestick. Yeah, it's 40 pips. So just watch it, even if we don't catch a trade today. At least it'll be an educational. So, shit. If it starts breaking below, though, that's a good indication to sell. So we'll see how it turns out. Wow, this is tanking. Oh my god. Just made new low for the day. I feel like either today or tomorrow you're gonna get that huge tank on gold. Let's see what happens. I want to wick up on the next 30-minute. Wow, Oh, did this tank too? Oh, not that bad. I thought it was at 90s, not 60s. Misread that. The other thing is it's Monday, but all the volume's gonna come in over these 3 days, considering the fact that it is Thanksgiving Thursday and Black Friday this week. Sorry, lost it there. .30-minute close, pretty bearish. I'm gonna enter a short soon here. Soon, I said, not yet.
Wardell may want those nines to come through. Here comes the paranoia, and there's gonna be Wardell.
Sorry, I was watching a video. That's pretty cool. Wow, that just popped all the way up. I guess we gotta wait for the hour to close now. That was a nice move right at 6, but other than that, it's been chilling. Pretty good game on tonight. Tampa Bay Bucks versus LA Rams. That's a good one for sure. I got the Tampa Bay Bucks winning with the over. See how that goes. Damn, this thing shot all the way up. Holy fuck. So happy I didn't chase gold. Holy. That would have been bad. Even when it broke the low. It's the biggest thing with the markets being patient, chilled out, laid back, waiting for your type of move to set up, right? So I just have this chart open. I really haven't touched nothing, not even my mouse. Been sitting back, watching it. Because what I was anticipating was kind of not like that, but some like move up and then a push down. But obviously I respected the support. It moved all the way up. And if I was more nimble, that would have been an easy long at this point. But the range right now isn't even that big. I'd say so myself. I mean, you have a 50 pip range. You should go for 40 pips. Coming into November, December, I think I'm gonna reduce my pip target by half. So I'm gonna go for 20 pips for the most part, especially since there's like minimal volatility and all that stuff, all that good stuff during the Christmas months. I just want to keep up the routine and schedule, and I think that'll be kind of beneficial when I trade in the mornings. Just keep up the routine schedule. I won't trade as much, but you know, it is what it is. I have to get more tea in a bit here too. Whoops. What's up, throwbacks? How you doing today? You finally back in green? Nice. What did you make it on? Which coin? Lucky and all the coins went up. Crypto's just on a tear. Holy fuck, Ripple. Ripple's up almost 100% for the week. Bitcoin's up fat. Ethereum's up fat. Cardano. Hex coin? What's Hex? Is it that? Hex? Interesting. He's trying to compete with Bitcoin. That's funny. I don't think he can compete with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's the originator. Oh, damn. This is shooting down. Okay, I'm going to short gold now, actually. 15. 5 1 minute. So I'm gonna try shorting this now. I got into a position. I'm gonna stop right here, and then I'm gonna stop then. And then might take profit. I want to see if it breaks below. See how that turns out. Richard Hart, this guy trying to compete with Bitcoin. I mean, you can't really compete with Bitcoin, let's be honest. Bitcoin is what it's at. Even TradingView, when I renewed my subscription on Black Friday for TradingView this morning, they were accepting cryptocurrency from Coinbase. That's pretty sick, not gonna lie. I think it was 108 USD annually with the sale. Okay, let me pull it up. Black Friday sale. Here you go. So you get like 1 month free, right? So it's about 108 US for 13 months. I have the pro. I think that's all you need. Because you can do like replays and simulations. Like you just go replay here. You can kind of like simulate the candlesticks as it goes along, etc. So I'm out of this position too, by the way. I got kicked out. That was a quick out. I was just trying something, but it's all good. It's all good. But yeah, that was a replay. It kind of helps with simulations and other factors as well. Oh wow, I think that was news related, wasn't it? Check. No, news is at 7:45. I think just general volatility caused that move. How's a 4-hourly looking? Slow day today. I think it'll be slow for a little while. Biggest thing is entering on the extremes. That's what it seems like is. Oh, whoops. There we go. Go back down here. Oh shit, sick. Yeah, I'll definitely send you a referral link. It's a good idea, man. No worries. Let me get that in there. I'll send it. Should I send it in the chat or do you want it through Instagram? Like if I send it here, can you see that? Or here, I got an idea. I'll send it to you on Instagram. DMIG. Okay, got it. All right, I send the link. Throwbacks. Yep, secure the bag, man. Make the profits real quick. Pay for the trading view. Good to go. I'll be right back. Damn, gold. Okay, I'm trying it again. Entered another position, have room to average up now. And then take profit. Anticipation of it to break. We'll see though, that's a huge wick. I'm gonna have my stop pretty lenient above here. If it breaks above there, then you know it's a fake. But based off the hourly, could see it pump lower even more. We'll see though. We'll see how the next hour opens. There's 5 minutes left. How about them Cowboys throwbacks? How about them Cowboys? Man, it's so fucked. They could be like first place by the end of next week. That's fucked. A 3-17, 3-6, 3-7, 3-7, 3-7. The Giants could win that damn division. That's so sad. How's that even fair? Like yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I won't rant about it. I'll be right back though. Interesting open at 7. I'm gonna average down here. 7. So I got 67.50 with the 65.50. So now my average is 66.50. So that's my average price. About a 30 pip stop. And then we'll see how the rest turns out. Let's go, tank. Oh man. Well, when market opens, get the dual screen going here. Oh, what if I did it the other way? It don't matter. Man, that Odell catch. That was nuts.
You have to be kidding me. That is impossible. That is absolutely impossible what he just did. Looking over his left. Yeah.
There we go. It's tank. It's tanking slowly but surely. Oh, 21 more minutes till 30-minute closes. I gotta get used to this over the next month and a half, I think. This type of trading and volume. Like when the price at 65.50, I'm gonna get out half. Control that risk a little bit. This hour is going bullish. Kind of slow. So choppy and disgusting. Wait a bit though. There we go. Nice little tank to close off 30-minute. See how that turns out. Wow, look at that pump up on NASDAQ. That's nice. Liquidity grab, pump up. Here on gold. So almost at my price where I said I was gonna 550, almost there. The ask gotta hit it, and then I'm gonna adjust my stop. Oh, okay, there we go. I exit out of that position. Now I have my one position at 67.50. So we'll keep it like that. Get on the 30-minute again. We'll wait for it to test here, and then I'll get out half. I'm basically break even for the day after that first trade. The first trade was kind of rushed, but now I think it's a lot better. So now my risk is not even that much, considering it's a 67.50 position. Because on usually with the MetaTrader and the Forex brokerages, you can have multiple positions on the same trade. So that's kind of the bad one. Yeah.
Yeah.
What up, man?
Good.
Just chilling. I forgot to open my Zoom. Did you just get on it?
I was on at 7:30. No, I just woke up, man.
So
I couldn't sleep last night.
the nose or some other?
No, the nose was stuffy as shit.
Yeah, you sound.
Man,
That's why I asked. I'm like, you sound like
yeah,
it's up there.
I was stuffy as shit.
You
But now it
sick?
feels better.
Oh,
Huh?
I said, you sick? Or you all good? Or is it just from that whole surgery thing?
I don't think I'm sick. I hope not. I don't feel sick though.
No. That's good,
I
man.
just stopped. Don't lie. But now I feel like I can breathe fine. Oof.
That's good, man.
No.
What happened?
Oil's up. Natural gas is up. Copper is up. Is copper up?
Yo, I
Tucker's
saw
not
one of
up.
their videos over the weekend. Their like macro video that they put out on Friday.
Yeah, the free ones. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting. I don't get their quad thing
Yeah,
yet.
quads are very interesting.
I don't get them, but like,
Quads. So quad one is GDP growth. Inflation is low.
okay.
Quad two is GDP growth. Inflation is high. Quad three is GDP is low. Growth is slow and inflation is high. And then quad four is both is low.
So they like trading quad
Quad four
one.
is the worst.
Yeah,
Quad
so
one and two is typically where you see equities go up.
yeah, no, yeah, with GDP up, inflation low, you'd see equities go up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense now. Because he was just saying quad 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm like, what's quad 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yeah.
But now I get it.
No,
you know.
I was so confused. I was looking, but damn, shit's up.
Is your portfolio up?
Yeah, a bit. Like I got Bud and stuff. Bud, which is the the alcohol company.
Budweiser?
Yeah.
Or no,
On
actually,
Friday, that's up 1.5%.
it's not bad.
Agriculture's up 0.5%.
Yo, they like countries too, hey. In that macro analysis, they're talking about Germany,
Everything.
Poland, EWJ, all that other good stuff.
Yeah, everything, man. Like they
Styles
short long,
interesting.
and they're short. I'm short the euro with them, but I got options, and that's been a down position. But you know, your longs are typically double the size of your shorts.
Yeah, I know that. But their strategy is pretty interesting.
It's all data, man. And they brought up one person. You can even I searched him up last night because I was watching another one of their podcasts. Was it? Oh, turquoise, nice. So the guy's name is Jim. Is it Jimmy?
Jim
Jimmy
Cramer.
Wales? No.
Yeah.
Nolan Kramer, man, he makes fun of him all the time.
I know, man. He even did in the video. I was like, damn.
He makes fun of all the CNBC guys. There's all those guys. Oh yeah, it's Jim Simons. So Jim Simons is the person that co-founded Renaissance Technology. He is I don't know if he's a Nobel Prize winner, but he's a mathematician. And if there's a book that I actually really want to read, it's like the guy that figured out the stock market.
Mhm.
So his Renaissance funds, so they don't take any new money. The last time they took new money was 1993 for the Renaissance fund. But apparently this guy is the best hedge fund manager ever. He's been averaging. Let's look. Renaissance Technology. They say that he's been averaging after fees 40% a year since 1988 for the Medallion Fund.
Interesting. So before fees.
I mean, sorry, 39% after fees. Their annual return is 66% before.
Yeah, okay,
Racking
yeah.
up-
No, he's in the trade. He's in the Psychology of Money book. Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Oh, really? Yeah. Trading gains of more than $100 billion. No one in the investment world comes close.
Yeah, he has 66% average annualized return. That's pretty sick.
And what he does is this. What these guys do, macro.
Macro analysis.
Turquoise, my boy. 3%. Boom.
Did they call it turquoise?
That's on his PA account, his personal account.
Oh,
So I got
okay.
some. Oh man, boom. Oil is nice though. I have oil on Black Gold too, but that's not going up much. Overnight position. Should I trim this position?
What's the turquoise ticker?
It's a mining company, and it usually TRQ, yeah. TRQ. Turquoise. Resource Hill, and they're mining that explores for
Copper.
copper, gold, and silver. But the thing is, copper's had such a crazy run up lately; it's insane.
Yeah, I see
So
that.
that's why,
That's
like,
sick.
yeah. And before the stock was at $5, kind of when copper was at its low, at like $2, I think. Let's look at
$2.20, $2. Yeah, I'm gonna get copper. It's $2.20 or $2 at March lows.
March
And
lows. Yeah,
turquoise was yeah, around
$4.
4 or 5 area. That's low as fuck. Yeah,
So beautiful, man. Like beautiful.
copper miner.
Yeah, I might trim this position. Take $100 profit.
Crude oil's up and natural gas is up too. That's good.
Yeah, I mean I'm up 3.5%. You know, just whatever. Take some profits. Boom. Break even this trade.
Another view on the markets is pretty interesting and how they trade.
They're
but-
so educational. It's crazy, man.
Yeah, and they're more swing style from the sounds of it. Like they're
The
actively
swing styles. They
trading.
Keith Mucky. He does a lot of his real time alerts. He closes them during the day too.
Yeah,
Like I think on Friday, short Netflix, and we got $3. It went down $6, but it was a nice quick short on Netflix, and then
Did you
got
get that
$3
too?
on. Yeah, I got that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Damn, he shorted Netflix that day. That's sick. Oh, at the end, yeah, I could see that. Never mind. Well, yeah. I see what he means.
Covered his Nikola calls. Stopping us out of the silly stars are reviews. Higher highs, that's tough for shorts, yeah. Higher
Yo.
highs. What up?
TradingView has a Black Friday sale again.
Yeah, I was about to say that. I'm gonna get it right now. $108 for the 1 year pro.
Yeah, and they add the leftover days. So I already did that too. And I feel like they do this every Black Friday, so I'll probably just renew it every Black Friday, to be honest.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, exactly. $9 a month on average, plus you get a free month. So it's pretty nice.
Welcome to your new experience. Okay, well, there's not really new experience. It's the same
Saw your
experience.
dance move Saturday. That was pretty funny.
Oh, dude. I know that Switch is pretty fun. I'll say that.
Was it VR on the Switch?
Or sorry, VR Oculus.
Oh, Oculus. Yeah, that's sick. That looked fun.
Yeah. It's just jamming, bro. And then we played like a job simulator game and like a bunch of shit. Oh, Las Vegas Sands, you're killing me here.
Las Vegas Sands. You put money in that?
Yeah, that's one of their other calls too. But I think that's getting smoked. You ever reduce half?
Long or
It's still
short? Before I
long.
pull it up. Damn.
What is this? Oname? That was just a new call, wasn't it?
Damn, the market shot up fat. There's
It's
news
all
though.
good. What? When?
Flash manufacturing PMI 745. Makes sense.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, pretty good. Better than expected. Gold should drop.
Nice. You out?
No. I had a couple positions. 40. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna get out my core,
Yeah, 100%. Take profits.
and then now I got the runner going. Damn. That dropped fucking fat. Forgot about the time of the news, but thank God it worked. Good thing we had the stops in place. Didn't expect it to go down that much though. That was insane.
I don't know what shares.
The hourly, yeah, the hours dropping. Gold breaks 1850. It's gonna go to like 1820 pretty easy.
Yeah, man, Keith's probably laughing that he shorted so much gold miners.
Yeah, well, even on his video, he said that he usually like, well, like he said, he likes shorting every time it comes up. So
Yeah.
see how that goes. That's a good trade. Yeah, but she got 50% out. Fuck it. Shit. Damn, this thing is fucking crashing.
Yeah. Oh,
It's gonna go down even more.
good news or
Holy.
something or what?
Yeah, it was good news. And then that usually means gold drops. So
What was the
got
good
out of
COVID news?
no, not COVID news. It was just flash
Oh.
manufacturing PMI.
Oh, okay.
Well, they had the vaccine, that other company that was like 70% effective.
Yeah.
So I probably pushed it down too during London session. Always on a Monday, the past 3 weeks, this vaccine news comes out. I guess they do the tests and trials over the weekend or something. Well, they have all the data. I mean, the tests and trials go over time, but they have all the data and then they release it probably on Monday. That would make the most sense for it. And that's probably what caused it to sell during London session too. Oh damn, it's going down, man.
You still have your runner?
Yeah, I got a runner. It's small now. I got
That's
out of
all good.
50% of the runner, and now it's just. I think this shit could go to like
Oh, that's all good.
1820 or something today. Because it just made like a new
That's all
low
good.
over the time.
Oh, GDX, nice. Yeah, another 2.5%. That's crazy.
Yeah, gold's dropped, and probably all gold miners gonna drop. Yeah, there's no way this is gonna pop up today. Nice, check you out. What does that mean, throwbacks? Profits, yeah. No, that was I didn't expect it to drop that hard and fast, but now that it's dropped that hard and fast, it's probably gonna continue to drop that hard and fast.
Yeah. What's the upper range? XL? Nice.
This thing's gonna crash, man. You should try getting in on shorts on pullbacks. If you want
On that?
on gold, yeah. Now you broke all this. You broke basically all this area. This shit's gonna go to like here at least 1812. 1820 is a good target, but I mean that's
Are you
completely
gonna
up to
build a
you.
long-term position then?
For the long or for the short?
Or the short?
No, the short's probably gonna happen today. If you get an hour candlestick like this breaking levels, then yeah, it's gonna be like this. The next hour is gonna have a mini wick up, I think,
Interesting.
and then it's probably gonna drop even more. I might get another short over there, but obviously we'll wait and see
Okay,
how
what
the
does
next hour.
the risk range say? Gold, bottom of the risk range is 1846.
Oh, I guess that's the bottom of the risk range.
That's what they say. I mean, obviously it's just the risk range. So the risk range for
Yeah,
it was
is that for futures or spot?
spot.
Spot. Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
1846 to 1895. So 1895 is the upper range.
Yeah, 1895 is up here, and 1846 it tapped 43.
That's what they say. So just
Yeah,
giving you info.
sounds good. Thanks. I still think usually when you break levels on gold, I've been watching it for a while. bottom of the risk range does make sense at 46, but this hour finishes
Oh yeah,
like
I mean,
this.
I'm
That's
just giving
too bad.
information. You do whatever you want.
I think it. Yeah, I don't know. I'll keep an eye on it around that 46 area.
Yeah, no, I just like I said, I'm just providing the information I'm given. That's it. You do whatever you want with that info. That's dope. One more year of Trading View. Probably Trading View is the best stuff we view.
Yeah, I think we use it consistently out of everything.
Yeah, best charting software, best on your phone. It's basically Google Finance on steroids.
Yeah, easily. It's the
Yeah.
best one out there right now. By far, too.
By far, I agree. Okay, took some profits here. TRQ, I'm gonna hold that. Took profits there. MP's up, that's sick. MP's up 10%. Dang. Jets, okay. Bud's good, 1.5%. US. Yeah, I should. So $30. Wow, Ripple's 50 cents, 55 cents. That's crazy.
Yeah, that thing shot up. Did you get any of it?
Oh no,
think
I'm not gonna touch Ripple again. It's just for me, Bitcoin.
Yeah, that's fair. Ripple,
Bitcoin and Tether. That's it.
I think yesterday or the day before, Ripple shot up fucking huge from
Yeah,
like
35.
25. Yeah. Well, 25 to like 46 in one day. Forgot what it was.
Uh, I think it was from. Wait, what date is this? November 21st. From 35 cents, it shot up to almost 50 cents. And then it came back down to 45. Now it's 55. Baby.
Yeah, throwbacks. Ripple's going fucking nuts right now. Even Ethereum, your Ethereum shot up. Did you get any of Ethereum?
Did you get any?
Him? No, I don't think throwbacks got Ethereum.
Oh, you were asking me.
No,
Oh, I
no,
don't have any.
throwbacks.
Oh,
Throwbacks. He said Ripple's going crazy, but he wanted Ethereum last Friday or something.
yeah.
You're gonna wait for the pullback. He had bills to pay, cashed out, scrape up some funds, start your portfolio. Yeah, that's a thing. I think the biggest thing is like grinding, saving up, so you actually have that equity to start a portfolio.
Yeah.
And then with that, you can actually diversify into different, I guess, coins if you want to do that, or various other tools, or equities, or whatever you want to do. Forex. You just need the funds and the equity to do it.
It always comes down to money.
Up all the time.
Wow. What a fake out. QQQ.
Damn, that. Holy shit, that sold off fucking hard. What the hell?
Keeping that MP percent. Yep. 441. Okay. Yeah, 30-minute level broke, 20. Yeah, it's probably gonna break. Maybe.
QQQ?
Yeah, our NASDAQ 100. We will see.
Yeah, it looked bearish. After that huge liquidity grab, just sold off so hard.
Let's go.
money equals power. Yeah, I guess money has a lot of definitions.
I would say equals power.
Money is very subjective in what people want to define it as. I think. I don't know. I don't think it's power either. Well, it is power. It's
Well, I
everything.
mean, like, what's the definition like? So you can get people to do stuff for you.
I don't know. Let's see what
So like,
throwback
so you
says
can
with power.
hire to do your bidding.
Well, I guess that's control. Money is controlled, and you got control with other things you could do. The power, I feel like, is from everyone around. Maybe because
I would
you've
say
heard,
power is more connected to like your reputation.
yeah, reputation or like I don't know what it is, but it's like how all these politicians and lawyers in the states don't get caught at the hierarchy. It's because they have money and they have the power. Maybe in that type of sense too, because I've seen like documentaries on that, or even Trump
Yeah.
in the Epstein case, because Epstein and Gilly Maxwell have fucking like 400 pages of documents listing all these celebrities and lawyers and all these other people actually going to his
Yeah.
island and doing those activities, but they aren't being arrested. I feel like they got the power. Even when Epstein was arrested, he got
Yeah.
murdered in jail, man. He didn't hang himself, let's be honest. Because people and
Yeah,
money.
he definitely got murked.
Yep. But he says throwback said just means that gives you more freedom for your time. Time is priceless. Yeah, that's true actually.
Yeah, I agree.
Time is priceless. Time's probably the most valuable currency that we got.
Yeah.
In the Psychology of Money book, they were talking about the Jim Simons guy and Warren Buffett in comparison, and they were talking about Jim Simons, how he's been doing the 66% annualized average return over the past 30-40 years now, but Buffett's been doing 22% average annualized return
Yeah.
for 75 years. And at the end of the day, the time gave him that equity because after his 65th birthday, he made $81 billion just because of the consistent compounding of his capital. But it's a pretty
Yeah.
dope book, man. I definitely recommend that one.
You finished it, eh? Or wait.
I hammered through a lot of it though. This shit was actually like, it was interesting and it kept making you want to read more. This guy has like 20 different, oh fuck, what was the word? 20 different rules with the psychology of money
Yeah.
and how it affects your psyche and what people think of it and how people should think of it in a sense of what it's actually referred to. So, because he says like everybody's definition of money is going to be different,
Yeah.
which is true depending on how you're brought up in. So
Yeah, it
depending,
depends, I would say, on your circumstances for sure.
yeah, exactly. Like if you're brought up during a recession, then you're going to be more frugal, right? But if you're brought up during the boom, or yeah, like if you're brought up to during the if you're a baby boomer, you're gonna be more aggressive and you're gonna be investing a lot more. But if you're brought up during a recession, then you're gonna be more frugal and be more conservative with your money. He's talking about everybody's situation, how it affects what they're investing and all that. It's interesting though. He gives so many examples. Even the Livermore
Oh yeah, I bet.
days during the Great Depression, he gave that example too. How Livermore thought his equity wasn't enough with the 100 mil. And then it crashed. Damn, Raja upped his lot size to 25 lots.
Good for him.
That is
Killer.
fat. Did you get in on NASDAQ?
No, I did not. I have not. I'm just kind of getting rid of like and taking profits on some of my longs right now. Let's see, I'll keep that. Let's sell this too. And oh yeah, I'm just kind of modifying it for the girls' account too. So one thing I like is oil is at least holding steady. Well, I mean, the XLE oil prices are crashing, I'm assuming, since I got kicked out of my long on oil just now.
On Black
I just
Bull?
realized. Yeah, on Black Bull. So, but XLE is holding, actually, it's kind of going up, so that's kind of surprised. So I'm gonna keep that. I honestly kind of how they've been like talking about like the macro theme and everything's interconnected. There's a lot of people. I think yesterday it was very interesting when I was watching them. It's just like Wall Street, old Wall Street loves to create like a narrative, right? And we hear this all the time on the news and everything like that. Oh, the stock market dropped because of this. It's creating a story when there really isn't a story. It's just it dropped because, well, you have inflation that's like low, growth that's low, like stuff like that, right? They just say it's a feeling.
Yeah, that makes sense. I think they were talking about something like that on the macro too
Yeah.
when they were doing that video on Friday. But it makes sense how they put it into connection with that.
Yeah. Very interesting.
I like how they use volume with it too. When you combine that feeling and volume going into it. Because they hate on people who don't look at volume and just say the Dow's up.
Volume,
certain points.
volatility, and price action, the three things that they use. Because, yeah, he says people, well, I mean, for investing, it makes sense. Like, people just like, sorry, give me a second. Let's see the chart, MSOS. What's a Canada ETF? Interesting. Did I sell IPR? Yeah, one thing, sorry. Where's I love how they're first nimble as hell, but I think yeah, because prices, for example, stocks is the most unlinear thing ever, right?
Yeah.
like price movement doesn't move linear. Like a lot of their ideas are coming from stochastic, so randomness essentially.
Yeah,
And stocks essentially is kind of like a rat. Like, I mean, it has a direction, but it randomly does that direction, whether it's up or down.
yeah. I feel like it
Obviously,
moves in waves like that, though.
exactly. So like price is a, if you just use one variable, like one factor, that's like you're trying to make it linear. If you model anything like that, it's a linear model. But then obviously you add volatility, which also is not a linear component as well. It's stochastic. Is it price? And then volume. The volume is stochastic too, because you have some days that are crazy up, like huge volume. Some days that it's like dry.
Yeah, no, I talked about that yesterday during my muted stream, but you're right. Some days they even mentioned that some days you got big volume injections or big volume on like big point movement days for the indexes, but then other days it's going to be low
Yeah.
with maybe a big move, maybe a small move, but it might not even factor into what they're considering for the trade if it's a low volume day.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree.
There's a lot of analysis that comes with it, though, I find.
From them, 100%. Yeah. They're
Well,
no jokes.
From them and just in general trading, like the continuous analyzation of, depending on the time frame of the instrument you're gonna trade, whether it's Forex or stocks, I think you gotta consistently analyze. Because if it goes against you, what are you gonna do? If it goes your way, what are you gonna do too, right? So there's like both sides you gotta be prepared for, and I feel like they are for that because they have their whole quad 1 to 4, plus they have their whole data spreadsheet that they
Yeah.
quickly brought up on the macro. And anytime they have an
1930.
alert for it, they just enter it.
So I just shorted Nasdaq as well right here. We'll see how that goes.
Might turn out good.
119, 1132 is the stop. Okay, perfect. So risking 14 pips on this trade. Price was at 11,932, and then we'll kind of see. That was using the 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
You
Let's see if
using the
it's gonna push
5-minute
down.
chart?
5 minutes always for Nasdaq, and then I use like
minutes.
obviously higher time frames. Let's just see if it's gonna fill the wick first. Yeah, we have a level here. So it made a newer low. That's good. From the 5 minute push down, fill that. Let's go. There we go. So I've already gone my 1-to-1, so I'm gonna break even the trade now, and we will see. See how far it pushes down. Very interesting. Yeah. Okay, so what's the next? 10 minutes. And we're at that level. Interesting. Yeah, is it gonna stop me out? Yeah, it got me out. But that's actually a good indicator.
Yeah, I mean it was break even though, right?
Yeah, it was break even. So no, but the thing is like if that so essentially it's respecting that level right here. Maybe we can get along now.
On the 10 or 5 minute.
5 minute, you'll see it. Yeah, 5 minute.
On the 5 minute.
It hit essentially that price level. And if you kind of scroll out too, even if you go like 10 minute, I drew a line at 11.8958 is like kind of like a zone that's been kind of like relevant from the 19th. And then yesterday's close or Friday's close, and then now it's kind of bouncing at that level too.
Yeah, I see that. Oh, I'm on the 1 minute. Whoops. There we go. So we'll just watch it.
It's 10. Because honestly, I wouldn't mind putting like, because we've had the overextension, another trying to retest the breakdown. Like, I wouldn't. Oh,
Because usually you just see clean 5 minute candlesticks going down, but now it could be, you're right, the potential for that reversal, but I think you gotta wait for candlesticks to form or close.
yeah. Let's just wait for this to close first. So that 5 minute closes then. And then yeah, we'll see if it respects it.
It's crashing.
Yeah.
Damn.
What an onslaught.
Yeah, what's happening? Why is it fucking just eating shit? Holy.
Woo. That's what I'm talking about. So if I'm not where was that at? It's at 1175.75. Okay. $20, 30 minutes gonna close. Let's check that out. Yeah, is it gonna respect that? I mean, the best candlestick I would expect for a 5 minute is this flips back bullish.
If the 15 or the 5 flips back,
5.
that'd be wild.
Yeah, because my area like was 18
I
or
don't know if it
895.
will. Like, if you look at the 30 minute, that's a huge red candle right now.
Yeah, oil
That's
is not
tough.
dropping. It's helping my Wayfair position, honestly. That's good.
You're way fair short.
Yeah, like I'm obviously down 7%, but like it's helping it out. That's why the short's got to be small, especially in a quad 2 scenario. I think is what they're saying. This is QQQs here. Okay, wow, buddy. So this is candlesticks 40. 10 minute is 30. So that these are dollar drops, $1.50 drops. Yeah. Beautiful. Just love it. Love when it's a crazy Monday.
Those are the best.
Yeah. U.S. Bloomberg.
Well, it is.
Bloomberg came out an article just 6 minutes ago. U.S. stocks rise as reopening hopes. Narrative. That's all I have to say, man.
All about narrative.
You know what's crazy? Alberta surpassed Ontario for
Yesterday.
COVID cases
Yeah,
yesterday.
I saw that. They should lock down, to be honest. I don't think they will, but they really should. Because that's fucked.
Hopefully they
Because
lock down now.
Alberta has 10 million less population than Ontario. Like, Ontario got 10 million more people. But, like,
Yeah. Ontario's at I think 14.5 mil.
yeah, and Alberta's at 4 mil, so that's fucked.
They have
That's
3.5 times more. Yeah, I was talking to my parents and Cecilia about that yesterday.
Yeah, that's actually fucked. But I guess we gotta wait and see what they do, whatever Kenny does.
No,
So,
Kenny needs to react.
yeah.
You know what? The worst thing you can do as a person of leadership is to react.
Well, he isn't really doing, like, even that lockdown.
That's my point, you know? Like I said, the worst leadership is to react. He's not even reacting, bro.
He's not doing anything. Even that lockdown.
He's not even reacting, man.
Yeah. Well, even the restrictions was like shit. It didn't even
The restrictions were useless, man. Like, what? 10 o'clock? After 10. I know what he's trying to do. It's for businesses and stuff. But, like, yo, it's going to get worse because, yo, I can bet you that we're going to get to 2,000 to 3,000 cases after Christmas and New Year's, and it's already too late to do anything.
Dude, we're going to get 2,000 cases by next week at this rate. No, they think too short term. They don't think long term game, because in the short term game, they want to keep businesses open. But in reality, if you shut down for like a month, the extreme end, I say like 2-3 weeks, but let's go with a month from now to like Christmas. Shut down for a month, you reduce cases back down to maybe like 200-300 a day. Then you could keep businesses open for like 4 or 5 months after until the vaccines come through. But they're just thinking in the short term right now, which is kind of retarded. So I don't know, man. Because you go from 700-800 cases after Halloween, maybe like 500-600-700 800 after Halloween. You got like Remembrance Day. Now you got Black Friday coming up on Friday. Like, I was gonna go to the mall, but I don't think I'm gonna go anymore.
It's tough.
But yeah, now you got like what? You had 1,000 cases last week, then it was like 700, 900, then you got 1,100, then you got 1,300, and then you got 1,500. Now it's like, fuck. What are you gonna do?
Yeah, it's tough. I have to say so myself. It's tough game.
Whatever, man. I think they should lock down, but I don't think they will.
Let's see. It just protruded. Need this 5 minute to close right now. 30-minute closed. Let's look at both of them. We got a nice push. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Yeah. 1 hour. No, not 1 hour. 20 minutes. 15 minutes. 10 minutes. Holy shit, that's hard. That's very hard to trade. That's a 30 pip. Wow, that's hard. 30 pip. I have 30 pip 5 minute candlestick.
30 pip 5 minute candle on NASDAQ?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
I'm talking about the bearish candlestick, so unfortunately I will not be able to long right now. Yeah, it's too big. Like, I mean, if anything, I would be hoping for like enter around 290 maybe. Yeah, I would say 290 is a decent price.
290.
Oh, sorry, on QQQ would be 290, and then
Oh,
for them, I guess yeah, it'd be like 20 pips. Yeah, at like 111.88, I would say 50. But yeah, this is gonna be definitely like a manual punch in type of deal.
yeah. Then you gotta watch price action and go for that.
Wow, 5 likes on the stream. That's fire.
5 on the stream? No fucking way.
From what I see, anyways. Yeah.
My YouTube studio hasn't updated it. That's weird. Yo, how do you check the zones in Calgary again? What site was that?
Sorry.
Like where all the COVID is in different
Just type in COVID Alberta, and they should have an interactive map on there
for Calgary?
for province of Alberta. And then I think it breaks it down because I did see a map. I don't know where I saw it. I think it might be on Twitter or something is where I saw it.
I
But
remember
think,
there was
yeah,
a
I think-
heat map for Calgary. I just wonder where
I
it
think
is.
actually here, maybe my dad sent it to me. Maybe that's where I saw it. Hold up, I'll send it to you.
Well, you can focus on your trade, dude. I'm not doing anything. I'll just look for it.
I'm not training right now. I'm just waiting. I can't even go in right now. It's too fat. Where's the heat map? Okay, no, I don't see the heat map here. Yeah, that's a push down.
I got a pretty. I got a non-interactive one. So it's 700 cases in Northeast Calgary in one area.
700. Ha!
What?
You know what?
What?
Must be the weddings, yo.
I don't, man. That's probably it.
Okay, so I bought 1 unit just to test it out, but I'm just gonna. I got 50 shares of QQQ, and then I'm just kind of letting it sink in, type of deal. Sink down, actually, and enter on the wicks here. Okay, so my ultimate loss on QQQ will be at, let's just say 289.55. 289. Create stop. Okay, so QQQ's in there. Interesting. What's my price at then? What's that? Oh, 290.13. Okay, gotcha. Stops there, and then hopefully we get a little bit pushed back. 5 minutes. Let's see here. How am I gonna map this out? Yeah, I can do that. What? 59. Low here was 64. Interesting. 289. Oh wow, there it goes. There it goes. Limits.
Damn, it pumped up. Eh? That's nice.
Yeah. 200 shares. 290. 289.95 for 100 shares.
So what you got both QQQ and Nasdaq 100?
Yeah, that's correct.
Nice.
That is correct, my friend. And yeah, if you see QQQ break past the previous high of 290.68, that's a great sign. We get that push.
I'll be right back in a minute.
Okay, so I'm gonna risk a little bit more here. And I am going, so on NASDAQ, I'm gonna go, oh, that's too much. Never mind. False alarm, everyone. Just gonna take it easy. Just let it ride. What a wild day today. 100%. Yeah. Going, gone. How much was I risking? So I'm gonna move my stop just a little bit higher now to 62, 289.62.
Still in it, right?
Or yeah, I'm still in both. I just moved my stop higher for. I'm kind of like at break. I'm up like 5 pips with Nas. Like let's just call it 100 with 100. But then yeah, I moved my stop a little bit higher for or QQ or for the Q. I want to add in, but I can't, which is crappy. Because if I add in right now and use like the 5 minute, the previous 5 minutes as a stop, actually I could. That's just another. That's a good another 20 pips. Huh. I could now. Yeah, I could now. Let's do it. Let's see if this is true. Just gonna try 11, 8. Yeah, 890 is a good stop. So my stops for these positions is 11, 890.
$11,890. Got it. Black Bull 11,890, right? Yeah, so it'd be like,
Yeah, Black Bull 890.
It'd be like 97 on TradingView or something.
Something like that. I wish TradingView connected to Black Bull.
Yeah, I feel like the liquidity provider is different, unfortunately, but
Yeah. So we'll see what this position does. I have limit order at 289.95. Close red. I mean the market structure is okay. I guess we can look at that. But yeah, I have a limit order at 289.95 for Q. Stop gonna be, what is it? 289.62. We'll see. Add people options. kick me out real quick.
Nasdaq, yeah, that thing dropped below the previous 5.
All good though. All good.
Just your risk is control. That's what matters in this, I'm guessing.
Yeah. Just play it by ear. This American pie. Let's see if we can get 100 shares on that. Wow, it was close, wasn't it? With Q. Actually, with Q. Yeah, okay. We got in.
You still in on triple Q?
Yeah.
Oh,
On Q, I got in. I just got another 100 shares.
Nice.
And then, you know what? Maybe I'll have orders in at like 75 for another 200 shares. 200 shares. 289.75. Bracket. Take that. How do I make this full screen? What the heck? Full screen, buddy. Huh. Is it F9? Oh yeah, there. Yeah. Do you get in on gold, by the way?
No, I've just been holding. My
You
last
still have the Reddit.
like,
Nice.
well,
nice,
I got
nice.
250. Like I basically only have like 25% of my runner,
Nice.
and I'm just chilling.
Nice.
Like I wanted to enter more, but then I'm just like, might as well just chill.
Wow, XLE. This keeps pushing up 6%. It's almost at the top of his risk range. Crazy.
Is that
XLE is energy SPY energy select.
Oh, energy. Oh yeah, that is energy. Yeah, they were talking about XLE on Friday video.
Yeah. Oh,
I might just tune into those free videos on YouTube. Whenever I'm bored for like 30-40 minutes, just like watch those.
very insightful. Damn, TRQ.
Yeah, they're knowledgeable as fuck. So
Executions RRC. Should have stuck with those. Yeah, I need to be better at that.
you see the Lakers moves, man. Some solid fucking moves. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah. I mean, I felt bad for JaVale because I love JaVale, but
He's a 3-time champion, dude. Fuck, it's insane.
yeah.
Yeah, that was bad though.
He's the only 3-time champion and MVP for Shaq in the Fool.
Yeah, I know, that's crazy. But no,
Love the
dude,
guy,
the moves are sick. Are you kidding? You have Schroeder, KCP.
Schroeder's gonna be so sick, man. Like I can imagine Schroeder and what's his name? Hartzell, or how do you pronounce his last name?
Montrez Harrell. Montrez. Just call him Trez.
Trez, yeah. Trez is going to be.
But the
Trez
thing is
basically the younger version of Dwight.
Yeah, Trez is better than Dwight at this age. Well, Dwight was better in his prime, but Trez is way better at the moment. Well, not way, but he's better at the moment.
Yeah, totally.
Thing is, with Schroeder, KCP, Braun, AD, and Gasol, that's a 6 starting lineup. Because like Gasol's a facilitator now. Like he'll shoot the occasional 1 or 2 threes. And the thing is, he can make threes from center. He can defend and he can pass the ball.
I'm just worried more about injuries with Gasol.
I think he'll be fine. He plays at like a slow pace, and he lost a lot of weight too. So I think he'll
Good.
still play. And all he really needs to do is play 20 minutes a game because Trez plays 20 minutes a game. It's fine.
Yeah, Trez should do the heavy lifting when it's like a workload.
Yeah, he's the energy off the bench. And then you got Schroeder. You
We
have
got Schroeder, we got Caruso, we
Wes
got
Matthews off the bench
got
too.
Wesley Matthews.
The only issue, I think they still need that point guard off the bench potentially. You know how Rondo came in with the second unit and like really.
Well, it'll be Schroeder or Caruso. It's who's going to step up.
Yeah, but when you have Schroeder and Braun starting, unless they put like Schroeder coming off the bench and put like Wes Matthews starting or some shit, like they did with Danny Green.
Think it shouldn't matter.
Yeah.
For those guys, for the fact that like, if you get your minutes, who cares?
Yeah, that's true. Just do what you can with the minutes.
Play. Like, I mean, yeah, minutes is a huge part, but if you get your minutes, man, like, dude, that's all that matters. Who cares if you play on the second unit and you come in 8 minutes later?
Yeah, that's true, actually. I think you just got to do the best with your minutes.
And
available.
plus, you know, like, especially, like, okay, LeBron always has to take on the best guys, this and that, right?
Mm-hmm.
While Schroeder is a starting talent caliber player, playing on, if he played on, like, the second unit, it's just going to make his numbers better. And he only has 1 year left on his contract.
Yeah, he does. So it's going to be, he has to play very good in order to actually get that extension he wants to, right? So, and he's been doing good like the last couple of years. He's been killing. Even last year during the playoffs, he killed it with OKC.
Yeah.
I still think they would sign like a just random point guard to play backup on the bench because you have Kuzma, Wes Matthews, Montrez, and Caruso coming off. And they didn't re-sign Quinn Cook, but they could probably sign like some random point guard for vet minimum, like Reggie Jackson or some random.
Well, I could imagine
guard.
them put Schroeder in shooting guard.
Yeah, I could see that too. He did play well.
He would lead like the bench.
He would. Well, they did play CP3 and Schroeder together, so he knows that. And Schroeder did play with Westbrook too, so he doesn't really need the ball.
No.
In that case. Not bad. I hope they trade for Derrick Rose. I'm gonna be honest. Just a backup point guard.
I don't know. Just keep Schroeder, yo.
Well, yeah, no, keep Schroeder, but like backup point guard. Whatever the fuck. Do you still have NASDAQ? The shit's popping right now.
No, I have QQQ. I have 150 shares on QQQ.
Oh, you got stopped out in NASDAQ and then you got the
yeah,
QQQ.
just NASDAQ.
That's fair. It's like
should have added on to NASDAQ, but I'm gonna, after this 10-minute candle closes, I'm gonna move the stop up to break even, and then see if I can ride this till like 91 ish. Come on, give me that, give me that. Well, let's go to 80s right now. Oh, 70, that's good. Okay. I don't know why I'm waiting.
Why you're what? Sorry.
Why I'm waiting. QQQ. Okay, I'm gonna close my QQQ order to buy more. Yes, and then break even this average price. Let's go 905 then. Oh, what? I'm so confused what's happening right now. Okay, that's stupid. Alright, well, this is break even. Let's see if we can get that push, bro. So I'd be satisfied if it goes 91. I'm just glad you respected that area.
Yeah, I respected that whole. Well, even if you look at the 30, it literally.
That 5 minute was nice. That's why I wanted. Yeah.
I think it just had to respect this like previous down. What is that on Friday? It probably just had to tap into that and then push up. That's probably what it was gonna do. And then now you got that whole thing coming up.
I mean, I feel a little bit better that this trade's closed, and now we just wait and see. Real-time futures looking like offers down 1.2%. Take profits, but damn, that stuff's not going down. Let's see, we got a push here. QQQ, let's go. Oof.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream.
Yeah, for sure. Sounds good, bro.
All right, thanks, throwbacks. Thanks for the other people that tuned in too. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Some good trading today. Interesting.
Sounds good, everyone. Take care.